It's our goal to help every child grow in and out of the classroom. We're also invested in helping you grow as a parent. I want to invite you to join us 1 week from today for a free family engagement training workshop. There will be a variety of classes in English and Spanish available to you at our Community Learning Center on Tesoro Drive. We have offered this family engagement training for more than 20 years. Courses cover everything from parenting to financial literacy, communication skills, preparing healthy meals, and more. Please join us on Friday, February 24th. Visit the link on your screen to register or learn more about the many classes available to you. All parents, grandparents, guardians, and community members are welcome to sign up. Remember, our family specialists are a valuable resource for you and your family. They teach and facilitate monthly workshops to help you strengthen your knowledge, skills, and confidence as a parent. If you would like to get involved or have questions, reach out to the family specialist at your home campus. All my previous messages are archived on the superintendent webpage. Just visit the link below to access them. Remember, Monday is a student and teacher holiday. We'll see you back in class on Tuesday. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around our district.